Welcome back. The Common Computer Dealers Forum of Goa has appealed for dignified survival of Goan computer hardware professionals. They claim that scheme like Cyber Age by the state government has severely affected their business. The dealers blame the government. Online shopping too has added to their woes. Forum says if such state of affairs continue, computer dealers will have to shut down their business.
We want this supply of free computers, laptops, everything free to stop immediately. Goa is not a backward looking state. Yes, there is an exception. Families below poverty line, let them be given the best of laptops. She is writing her second last paper today. There is no sign of the laptop. So how has the laptop served her in the 11th and 12th standard? The supplies are taking place only to fill the pockets of the suppliers, the government officials of the education department or whichever department they have shifted it to as an eyewash. And third thing is the political party which is in power. Thing is online stores are selling material which is below the landing price of distributors also. There is nothing being done by the government of Goa. Online store gets it for 9 rupees, but online store is in the exercise of brand building. So what they do is they discount another 1 rupee and they sell it for 8 rupees. Whereas the costing of the product is 9 rupees to them. Now you will say, are they fools to sell? They are not fools. They are building their brand. So instead of advertising crores of rupees, they are making a loss of crores of rupees. In another 6 months, even I'll be, with all the financial backup I have, I'll be forced to close down. And along with me, go 10 people unemployed. Because he can't afford to survive on his own.
Or we have to commit suicide.
Serula Communidade has pleaded before the High Court to release 9 lakh rupees from its frozen account to clear the bills. In an earlier order, the High Court had directed Crime Branch to release the required amount to clear necessary dues. But Crime Branch is opposing to clear this amount of 9 lakh rupees as this bill includes fees of private advocates to fight the case on behalf of the Comunidade. During the hearing before the High Court, Serula Communidade submitted a bill of 9 lakh rupees pleading to direct Crime Branch to release the amount from its frozen account. Counsel for Serula Communidade contended that following High Court's previous order, Crime Branch should release the money to pay essential utility bills like electricity and water. Also, salaries to the Comunidade employees. But money to pay utility bills has been released so far and salary amount to the employees is due. The 9 lakh rupees amount is required to pay the salaries. But according to sources, Crime Branch has refused to release this bill amounting to 9 lakh rupees as more than 5 lakh rupees have been billed as fees of private advocates who are representing the Comunidade. Crime Branch has objection to grant salaries to church employees who have been employed by the Comunidade. During the probe of illegal land grab case of Serula Communidade, Crime Branch froze its 6 banks account. The High Court is likely to hear this matter on 17th March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Zuari villagers from Sant Andre Panchayat are up in arms against the 4G towers coming up in their village. Locals claim that the work of erection of the tower is undertaken without taking villagers into confidence. Towers are being opposed, claiming it to be health hazard. Villagers have now obtained stay from BDO on the tower erection. Sarpanch says no need to take villagers into confidence.
Locals from Zuari village from Sant Andre Panchayat have objected the 2 4G towers being erected in their village. They claim that the work is undertaken in residential premises of one of the Panch member. The agitated villagers fear a health hazard.
Majority of the people don't want, and as we went further, first 2-3 people of us went and we spoke to the Panch also. He didn't comply to any of our messages which sent to him.
आम्ही गांवच्या MLA को हाडलो, एक मीटिंग घेतली आणि MLA ने एक अल्टिमेट टायम दिलो लिमिट की जाला कितें तें बरे भाशेन 1-2 दीस पळोवया आनी मागीर तेजेर उपरांत एक्शन घेवचें. आयज आमकां BDO ब्लॉक डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफिसरान स्टे हेजेर दिली.
The Sarpanch claims that they have obtained all necessary permissions and the Panchayat Raj statute does not make it mandatory to take villagers into confidence. The state already has more than 750 mobile towers with 1G, 2G and 3G technology. In 2014, Goa State Pollution Control Board had received around 200 applications for installation of 4G technology mobile towers in North and South Goa. Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.